And I'd say they are. There we are. You can't see it very well, but that's the idea of it anyway. I'll take you outside and show you the one outside as well. So there you are, there it is hanging in the tree. I've got that one and another one. See, we've got a little bit of dust in the snow. It's starting to feel the cold now. It's really, like, as the night goes on, it really gets cold. This is the other one. Yeah, so a nice easy way to feed the birds. That lovely blue sky. Don't let it deceive you.